Today, we're back with another trick tip. We've already made a video about this before, but we're gonna tackle it again just because all the responses on comments, emails, DMs, they wanna see it more and want a little bit more in-depth of a breakdown. So this trick doesn't really have too many things to break down, but we're gonna go into maybe a better detail and make it easier for you guys. So today's trick is gonna be the manual. So the manual is gonna be equivalent to like a wheelie on a motorcycle or a bicycle. So you're gonna be sitting on the back wheels and yeah, pretty much doing a wheelie. One thing you don't wanna do that does not make it a manual. So if you ever scrape your tail, that is not a manual. We're gonna wanna get that nice balance, like just balance it, balance it, balance it, no scraping the tail. Today we're gonna be doing it on this C ledge. So I'm gonna be alling up, doing a manual, holding my balance, and coming off right at the end. I'm not gonna hit my tail throughout the manual or off the manual, like when I come off. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Right now, I'm gonna roll some clips of me doing it on the C ledge so you can see, and then we'll break it down. Sorry guys, if it seems off the energy, it's just really cold right now for me and Enzo. Our hands are freezing. I know you guys over in, Midwest, East Coast, you're probably laughing at us, but we don't get this too often and it's cold. So let me jump into the trick. All right, so there's some clips of the manual. Let's break it down. So I'm gonna be approaching the C ledge with enough speed, obviously, to get on top of the ledge and to propel my body all the way across. So I don't need too much speed for this. It's not too long. Yeah, that's something you kind of will get a feeling for once you start alling up or onto the obstacle to do the manual. Let me go grab my board. So pretty much, you're gonna wanna establish the Ollie. So if you made it to this video, you probably have your Ollie down, but maybe it's not as high as you want. So don't feel bad if you can't get onto something this high. You can find smaller curbs to learn the manual, or you can even do it on flat ground if you're not comfortable with the Ollie just yet. So pretty much, I'm gonna snap the Ollie, and as I'm Ollieing, I'm kind of gonna lean back, not too far back, because too far back is gonna send the board sliding out, and too far forward, it's gonna drop the board. So if I'm too forward, it's gonna drop the board. So that's not gonna be the manual. And you also wanna keep in mind, you don't want the tail to scrape or it's not a manual, like I said before. So I'm gonna Ollie, shift my weight, and we're gonna get right in there on the wheelie, ride it out. Sometimes I can do them really clean. Sometimes I'm rolling the windows down with my arms. So they look kind of inconsistent sometimes, especially this morning. It's really cold. My hands are frozen. But yeah, for the manual, you can kind of get just even on to the object, kind of lean back to where you feel comfortable. And the foot placement for this, your back foot's gonna be in the Ollie position, just right on the tail, right in that kind of a little bit, maybe an inch from like the edge of the tail. And my front foot, I like to cover up the bottom two bolts of the front floor. So these ones right here. So right about here, kind of angled, and then we're gonna get into that manual. So that's gonna be the manual. I'll get some more clips of it as we do more tricks. I'll throw it in everywhere. But yeah, right now we're gonna jam. It's cold, and we'll see you guys in another video. And as well as we have so many things going on with our website. And we also have some giveaways in the works. So go ahead and stay tuned to our YouTube channel, stay subscribed, add that notification bell, because we will be dropping really short films showing the giveaways, like reels, into our YouTube reels. So go ahead and make sure you're all caught up with us. and we'll see you in the next video, and we're gonna go warm up.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We have new videos coming out every week. And if you have any requests for any other future videos, you know where to find us.